Welcome back, future medicos. When you apply for NEET application, you may have a question. What medium of the question paper should I choose? What language can I use for my NEET exam? Can I use my mother tongue? Can I use only English? Can I have a question paper where I have my own mother tongue plus English question paper? Say, for example, I have prepared for my board exams based on my mother tongue, let's say Tamil. I prepared for the exams only in Tamil, but for the NEET exam preparation, I have done in English. But sometimes I get confused with the English question. So sometimes I refer to the Tamil translation and then I try to understand the question. Is it possible to have a NEET question paper where I have the English question paper as well as the Tamil question paper so that I try to answer in English, but if I have a doubt, I want to refer to Tamil. Or I want to answer in a Tamil question paper, but when I get some confusion in the Tamil terms that are used, I want to refer to English. Is it possible? That's what we are going to see in this video. So when it comes to the NEET exam, NEET UG exam, you can take it in any of the 13 languages that are available. So NTA gives you the option to take the exam in 13 different languages. What are the languages? You can take the exam in English, Hindi, Assamese, Bengali, Gujarati, Malayalam, Kannada, Marathi, Odia, Tamil, Telugu, Urdu, and Punjabi. These are the 13 languages you have the option to take the exam. While you are selecting the question paper medium in the NEET application, make sure you select the right option. Please remember, if you select English, if you select the medium of question paper as English, then you will get the question paper only in English. If you select English, you will get the question paper only in English. But if you select Hindi, then you will get bilingual question paper. That is, you will have the question paper in Hindi and the same question will appear in English. So that means the same question, you can read it in Hindi as well as English. So if you are comfortable in Hindi, you can go for a bilingual question paper. In that case, you will get Hindi as well as English. If, say, for example, you have studied in Tamil medium, then you can select Tamil. In that case, you will get both Tamil question paper as well as English question paper. Now, my advice is you can choose your regional language, whichever you are comfortable. But if you are completely studying in English from the beginning, then go for English. You don't need to confuse with others. But some of you might have studied until 10th in a particular language, or until 12th, you might have studied in a particular language like Telugu or Tamil. And then for the NEET exam preparation, you might be doing in English. In that case, probably you can go for a bilingual question paper. But even if you go for a bilingual question paper, my advice is to answer the questions based on the English version. Take that as a default. Use the English version. Why? Because if there is any dispute, if there is any ambiguity, sometimes, right, a couple of years ago, there was some problem in the Tamil version. Tamil version, okay, for those who understand Tamil, there was a question in English that says cheetah. And on the Tamil version, they have not given it as sirthai. Tamil translate பண்ணலாம். சிறுத்தைன்னு கொடுக்காம cheetah அப்படியே வந்து சீதா அப்படின்னு எழுதிட்டாங்க. So if someone reads the question, they may not understand what is Sita. Sita is not an animal. Cheetah is an animal in English, but when it comes to Tamil, it is known as Sirthai. So unfortunately, the Tamil question paper was talking about Sita. And if you are answering only based on Tamil, you might get it wrong or you may not understand the question. Unfortunately, in that year, for those who have felt that the question paper is ambiguous, and then they went to the court, finally, the verdict came that the English version is final. So even if there are some mistakes in the regional language, the English version will stand. So my advice, go for bilingual. That's fine, absolutely fine. But try to answer the questions based on English. Unless you have completely studied in a regional language, even if your preparation is in Hindi or Tamil or Telugu for NEET exam, then it is okay. Then you cannot avoid that. You have to go through that regional language. But if you have prepared in English, and if you want to be a little bit comfortable with the two languages, then my suggestion, go with the English version. And if you don't understand the English version, if you have some doubt, then you can refer to the regional language, try to understand in your language, and then try to answer. Right? This is what I'm saying. In case of any ambiguity in the translation of a question in the test, its English version shall be treated as final, and the decision of NTA shall be final in this regard. Okay. So this is unfair, but unfortunately, this is the rule. And candidates qualifying for NEET UG 2024 would be eligible for All India quota and other quotas under the state government, irrespective of the medium. Now, some of you may have a doubt, sir. I'm taking the NEET exam in Telugu. Does it mean I will not be able to get a seat in the other states? I will not be eligible for Karnataka. I will not be eligible for Tamil Nadu. Is it so? No. It doesn't matter which language you are taking the exam. You are eligible to get a seat anywhere in India, provided you have the score to get the seat. So the medium of question paper alone will not define your eligibility. Okay. You might have taken Tamil as your medium. But if you want to go and study in Delhi, let's say you get a seat in AIIMS Delhi, you can study, no problem. Now, another important thing you need to take note is these regional languages will be available only in select centers. It will not be available all over India. For example, if you select English, you will get all exam centers. You can select any exam center. English and Hindi, again, all exam centers will be available. But when it comes to the other regional languages, for example, if you select Assamese as your language, then you can select exam center only in Assam. If you select, let's say, Tamil, it will be available only in Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, and Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Only 3 places it will be available. Now, you cannot select Tamil and then give priority in Maharashtra, priority of city center in Delhi, then it would be a problem. So please remember, the regional languages are offered only in certain centers. For example, if you select Marathi, the Marathi question papers will be available only in Maharashtra. So this is something you need to take note. And please remember, the option language for question paper should be exercised while filling up the application form online. Online form fill பண்ணும்போது, there will be an option to fill the medium, and it cannot be changed at a later stage. So when you are selecting, think twice and select it. Don't get confused whether I should select this, that, can I change it later? Do the application correct the first time. It's always the best thing to do. Don't leave it to any ambiguity. Don't leave it to any kind of confusion. First time when you are applying, when you are filling the application form, take some time. No need to do it in a very urgent manner. Take some time, but be confident, be clear with what your choices are. Okay, I hope that is useful. Thank you. Bye-bye.